Hello, good day. My name is Bokun Oluwadebi, and today we would be learning understanding your tape in inches. So why is it essential for us to learn to take this topic? Most times when we draft, we add more than the required allowance for the measurements we are working with, and at the end of the day, we have something bigger than what we projected. So we'll be learning what do we understand by inches. We'll be talking a lot about 1/8 to 8 and all of that, so that we can understand how to calculate all of these things when we are drafting our upload. So this is like a typical tape rule measurements drawn on the chalkboard, and then from your tape rule you see that we have lines like this, and then we have it from 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I know that this is 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, 4 inches, then why do I still need to understand? Now this is where the logic is. From here to here we have 8 strokes. If you count, you can count with me. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we go like that again, 1, 2, 3. So between this and then the first number, we have 0 strokes, and we have 8 strokes. So that means that for this first one, I have 1 over 8. For this second one, this is 2 over 8. This is 3 over 8, 4 over 8, 5 over 8, 6 over 8, 7 over 8, and 8 over 8. When you divide your 8 by 8, then you're going to have 1. That is what we have here. So if I'm drafting, I know that this first stroke is 1 over 8. This 2 over 8 can also give me 1 over 4. This for 8 can give me 1 over 2. And then we keep going like that. So take for instance, I have a measurement, okay, maybe bust 32, and most times you know that we divide our measurement, we divide it into 4 when we are drafting. So let's say I want to use, let's say bust 33. So that means that 33 divided by 4, that's 8.25. So more or less like we have 8/1 over 4. So what we need is here now 8 inches. Let's assume this is our 8, then plus this 1 over 4 will be having something like this here, this to 8. So I need the whole number, which is 8 inches, and then these 2 strokes. That's where my measurement will get to. Probably we are working with 35.5 as well. So if you have 35.5 divided by 8, this, you can let me use calculator. 35.5 divided by 4 rather. What are we going to have? 8.7. Okay, so that's 8.88, Abby. Alright, so from this now we can say that we'll pick our whole number 8 inches, and then between which one gives us a closer this 8.88 as this 7 over 8. If you divide your 7 over 8, it's going to give you 0.88. So you know that what you need is your 8 inches, and then this here, from here to here. That's what you need, such that when you multiply this by 4, you get your 35.5. But imagine, or let's assume that you rounded it up that, okay, instead of 35.5 you want to use 36. That means that you've added 2, and then there will be loose, the cloth will be loose at probably the side or wherever the excess allowance is. So that is why we need to understand our table, so that we can have accurate drafting when we get to pattern drafting, your pattern. Thank you once again for joining the class. See you in the next video.